started already.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Wayne guys. So today you see I have my special guest, my husband. This is Mr. Norman Khalid. Okay, so today we will going to do mukbang of sweets. Why? Because Ramadan is over, and during the Ramadan we cannot eat this food. Why? Because we have a limit time. Like you cannot eat it in like time, yes, yeah. So now we need to fulfill our
our desires
yes,
of eating.
our craving.
Our
how
craving,
to eat, right?
craving time is over.
Yeah, and you know, if you don't know, my husband love gummies. You know, these types of food, jelly beans.
One of my favorites.
My God! Even I will tell him not to eat. He had to hide it somewhere. When I go to toilet, for sure. Okay, so guys, we will start to eat. But before anything else, please don't forget to
comment and subscribe.
Okay, and click the bell.
Bell icon.
Yes. So we'll start, maybe go.
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
So go ahead, yalla. So we'll start with. You start with your jelly bean.
My favorite.
Okay,
yeah.
yalla. You start. Jelly bean, guys.
Sarap, yummy.
God.
Craving. I was craving for that after a long time.
There is a lot. Okay.
Of course, nobody can stop me.
But today is your day.
Today is my day, no? After 1 month.
Yeah. So this is jelly bean, guys. From which
Yummy
company
dishes.
is this, Viveko? I'll tell you.
It's from Haribo. The brand name is Haribo, yeah.
Haribo, right?
Haribo.
Yeah. So it's the brand name, Haribo. Nice.
Now, which one you want to try next? Next one,
I have also
the
jelly.
pear jelly.
Jelly bear.
Jelly
Okay.
bear, that's right. It's very
This one,
soft.
my God, he's crazy. All types
I'm
of
addicted
this.
to this.
All
Since
types.
from my childhood.
Anything, as long as it's made of this jelly type. Yeah?
Sarap.
And then we have also what? M&M.
M&M.
We have two types.
M&M also I like it.
The one with peanut and the one with chocolate inside.
I will try both, baby.
Okay, you can eat all.
I
Today
cannot
is
eat
your
all.
day.
No, I cannot eat all. I will just fulfill my desire, my craving. I will satisfy it. Yeah.
This one, the chocolate type. I one with peanut, right?
Yeah, this was peanut flavor and this one chocolate. Okay.
This is all lacquer type. Lacquer wafer. This one is double choco flavor.
Chocolate flavor, yeah.
And this one is Napolitan. Napolitaner. It's what is inside of it? Baby ko. Hazelnut.
Hazelnut flavor. Okay.
Yeah.
And this one pure chocolate.
Yeah. And this one is the cream cacao. Cream with cocoa.
Cocoa is one of
Yeah.
my favorite. I already tried this one. It's nice.
And this is the Cocoa Zoo biscuit. Small. Good for the kids, but we
you have
also
to satisfy the craving, na? It's
we
been
are
long
also
time.
kids.
After a month, you are satisfying your craving.
Yeah. Actually, this foods wafer and this sticks and this thing is good with the coffee.
Yeah, correct.
It's much as well. Why? Because it's makes the food down.
True.
Okay, then we'll taste the wafer. So that's the 3 flavors: hazelnut, cocoa cream, and double choco.
All flavors are nice. Actually.
Yes, and this one is bread stick, plain one.
Let me try.
Plain stick bread, good for the coffee.
Nice combination.
Coffee or chai karak, right?
Both are. You can drink with both. No problem.
Then we have also the bread stick, different flavor. This one, choco, of course, choco flavor. And this one is with the cream and Oreo, right?
Yeah.
And this one is with hazelnut.
Hazelnut, yeah.
Yeah. And this one is my favorite. Wow, when I'm small. Pretzel. I bought it in Lulu. You know, pretzel.
Yeah.
I remember my childhood days. And of course, kindergarten chocolate.
Wow.
But you want this something inside. There's a cream inside, right? Very good.
Really?
Yeah.
Then I should find it out.
Ah. There's cream inside.
Wow, nice combination, huh?
Yeah. Okay. And there is this, your choice. This orange bar cranberry orange flavor chocolate.
I think it's Crunchberry. It was written there, Crunchberry.
Cranberry. Seems nice. Something inside. And you have also the mallows, of course. What is life without marshmallow?
Exactly. I think I need to drink some water, yeah?
Water?
Too much chocolate makes you thirsty, no? Correct?
Yes. So, kindergarten. I have also the Ferrero. And this one?
Ferrero. One of the best chocolate.
How about this one? What's it?
This is coconut flavor.
Yeah. So coconut
That one is
flavor
chocolate.
and chocolate. Okay, so try the stick.
This marshmallow very nice.
Guys, I think it's strawberry flavor, right?
Yeah.
We need to suit ourselves.
Correct.
So today is
Eid.
Today is Eid holiday, guys. So it's nice to spend
Time together.
time together and eat these things, because believe me, in the time of Ramadan, even I want to eat, I cannot eat because I just remember when I saw them in the supermarket.
Yeah.
I thought I want to eat this, but passing time, then
Not allowed.
you cannot buy also when it's passing. Why? Because it makes you more hungry.
Because you're craving for it, no? That's why.
So I waited my chance. Yesterday, when I go to supermarket, I said, "Oh, I will not miss this chance."
Correct. This is one of my favorites. Very nice.
It's coconut flavor, right?
Yeah, coconut flavor with the filling of cream inside.
Yeah, so.
You must try it. It's nice. Correct? Correct.
Very nice. Which one?
Yeah, this one is chocolate flavor.
Chocolate flavor. I want also water.
There you go. Water is ready for you.
Put
If you
more.
need more, I will. At your service.
Oops.
At your service, madam. This one, Malty, is also one of my favorite.
Really? This is my favorite.
If your favorite,
Maltese.
my favorite too also, no? Should be the same.
I remember when first time I came to Dubai. It was 2004.
Oh, really?
And this is the first chocolate I bought in the supermarket. And you know what is the supermarket name? What's that?
Name it.
It's 24 hours open.
United
United Hypermarket in Dera, right?
Yes, still.
I'm buying
24
it
hours.
in promo, buy one take one. Oh my god! And believe me, I'm eating the 2-pack in one time.
Really?
Because there is some,
Temptation.
there's in the taste. There's something like you want to continue.
Addiction.
You know?
You are tempted to eat
Yeah.
again and again.
I'm taking one. I'm opening it, and then my heart saying, "When finished already, one more, one more." Okay. You tried the wafer?
Yes.
You tried already?
I tried all the first chocolate one and the hazelnut one. That's it. I think almost we are done with everything.
Which one?
What do you think? There we go. Almost. This one also done. This one done.
Yeah, everything done.
This one done. And this biscuit, jellies, M&M both flavors, and Ferraro chocolate also, and this bar chocolate, and the Gunsberry flavor. I think almost done. Now I feel I'm full because only when you see the chocolates you like to eat each and everything, but it's very sweet, so you need to control your diet also, no? You need to look after the diet.
Open one.
This one I'll open for you. As you say, madam, you are the boss.
I'm the boss.
Correct. She is the boss.
I'm the boss. He's the boss. Joke.
My pleasure. There you go, madam.
Ferrero. Everybody like this, especially the single ladies. They wish their boyfriend or suitors will bring flower with Ferrero. Yeah.
You deserve it.
So.
She is enjoying the chocolate, guys. It shows on her face. Correct?
Correct.
Because she is too much involved in eating the chocolate that she cannot even answer right on time. Right, guys?
Right, guys? No.
Joe.
So, we will just continue eating until we fed up. Okay? So we So guys, so far is the only
We are
remaining.
back. Oh, too much full, baby. But it was really good experience after a long time. Craving this
So I
over.
think guys you will not eat today.
After seeing our video.
Okay. So thank you for watching guys. Hope to see you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the
Hit the
bell.
bell icon and do comments on the video.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.